Imagine this. You walk into a car dealership excited to get your first car, but the salesman gives you that look. Sorry, your credit score isn't high enough? Or maybe you're trying to rent your dream apartment, but the landlord says, denied. Let's be real. Credit scores control your life, yet most people have no idea how they actually work or how to fix them. But here's the good news. You can boost your score fast if you know what you're doing. The system is designed to keep you in the dark. Schools never taught us how credit works, but one wrong move, a late payment, a maxed out card, can tank your score. And a bad credit score. That means higher interest rates, denied applications, and sometimes even missing out on job opportunities. Think paying 29% interest on a car loan is fun? Didn't think so. But don't worry, because in the next few minutes I'll show you how to turn your credit score around fast. Let's break this down into simple, actionable steps. Do these and you'll see your score climb, sometimes in as little as 30 days. 1. Pay down your credit utilization. The 30% rule. Hack. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your score. If you're maxing out your cards, lenders see you as risky. The fix? Pay your balances down below 30% of your credit limit. Want an even bigger boost? Get it under 10%. This signals to lenders that you're financially responsible. If you don't have the cash to do this quickly, consider shifting payments around or temporarily cutting unnecessary expenses to make a significant payment. But what if you could lower your reported balance without spending a dime? Here's a simple trick that credit experts swear by. 2. Use the two-payment method to trick the system. Credit card companies report your balance to credit bureaus at different times, usually before your due date. So instead of making just one payment per month, split it into two smaller payments, one right before the statement closing date and another before the due date. This keeps your reported balance low and can give your score an instant boost. Even if you're paying the same amount overall, reducing the balance when the lender reports can drastically improve your score. But what if a late payment is already haunting your credit report? Here's a little-known way to erase it. 3. Request a goodwill adjustment for late payments. If you've missed a payment, don't panic. Many lenders offer something called a goodwill adjustment. Simply contact your creditor and ask them, nicely, to remove a late payment from your report, especially if you have a good payment history. This works best if you explain why the late payment happened, maybe an emergency or a one-time mistake. Many companies are willing to help loyal customers, but you have to ask. Now, what if your credit history is too short? This next hack can change that overnight. 4. Become an authorized user, the credit score shortcut. Find someone with great credit, like a parent or trusted friend, and ask them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive history gets added to your report, giving your score an instant boost. You don't even need to use the card. Just being listed can help extend your credit history and improve your utilization ratio. This is one of the fastest ways to increase your score if done correctly. But if you really want to supercharge your credit, you need this final strategy. 5. Dispute errors on your credit report. The score. Fix most people ignore. 1 in 5 credit reports contains errors. Those mistakes could be dragging your score down. Check your reports for free at annualcreditreport.com and dispute any inaccuracies. Look for accounts you don't recognize, incorrect balances, or outdated negative marks. If you succeed in removing an error, your score jumps, sometimes significantly. Make it a habit to check your report every few months to catch mistakes before they hurt you. If you follow these steps, your credit score will improve, sometimes in just weeks. But what if you want to raise it by 100 points or more, fast? Click here to unlock the advanced hacks to boost your credit even faster. The sooner you start, the better your financial future. Don't wait. Your dream credit score is closer than you think.